Hey students, a very warm welcome on Ada 24/7, a government job in your pocket. In yesterday's class, we go through with the inequality portion, and many of the students are saying me that, ma'am, please go through with the either or concept. So today's session, we are going to go through with the either or concept as well as with the few questions with the practice sessions of the either or questions. So before starting the session, I let you inform the offer, which is the power of three hashtag of coaching from home is extended on demand of the students. So now all the flat 20% discount of own study materials plus 3 months free extra free ebooks are available on you. And what to do, how to grab this opportunity, just visit on the store.ada247, and by applying Go Corona you will get an max discount on all these products, as well as, and if you are for the online live classes, just apply a code Y164 for getting a max discount. Okay, fine. Coming on the today's session, firstly we have to learn about the concepts of which type of the inequality questions to be asked by the examiner. Firstly, we are having a simple inequality. That means we are discussed about this portions, and the combination of these two symbols becomes like this and this. And second one is your code inequality, and both these are having to discuss about the either or concept. What is either or concept? You have to firstly check out the any two conclusion which are doubtful, which are can't say. We secondly check that the subject predicates of the both the conclusions must be right. The first element is a subject and second is your predicate of the conclusion. Next, it is your all the symbols are available whenever we are don't having the relationship, or we are not confirm about the relationship between two elements. It may be this, or like this, or like this, or like this, maybe whenever we are having such kind of the pair. So we go with this third portion that provides you like this. Whenever you are having a statement A is greater than B, B is less than C, and you will find that conclusion A is greater than C or A is less than or equals to C, we are not confirmed about that. So we go through with this type of the pairs. These three pairs basically we found in examination. So here we are having a greater than, we are having a less than, also we are having a third and final symbol, that was your equality, equal. So we go through the either or concept or either or portion, either or option with this question. Simultaneously you may confused about this one. So in this one we are having again either or in the same statement as we are having in this portion. A is greater than C or A is less than C in this one. So not equals to means either A is greater than or less than. We are not confirmed about it. Coming on the questions, first question is on your screen. Let's have a look about the question. Whenever I prefer to you guys, just pause the video and try to solve yourself. Whenever you solve the question, then answer me like this. So you can saw that L to P, we are not having the confirmation, so we go through with the can't say option. Coming on the next, K to M, yes, of course we are having the relationship between K to M, the simultaneously relationship, and from N to M we requires the gate open in front of N, and here we are having N to M gate open in front of N. That means second and third will be the right, and only can't say become definitely false in this question. So we go through with the C option where we have a second, and so we go through with the B option. B option will be the right answer, where we are having second and third conclusion will be the right answer. B option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on next question number 2. In question number 2, it is given that the relationship between W to Z. Here we can check from W to Z, first is right. Secondly, we have to check the relationship between U to W. Again, we requires a gate open in front of W. Again, we are having, but third one is wrong. So we go with the only first and second, and we are having a first and second in option number C, third option will be the right answer for this question. I hope so you guys are cleared about this question. I must to tell you that this is a recorded session. If you are having any query about the question, just write me in the comment section after the completion of the recorded session. So I can revert you, or I can get those questions in my coming classes. Coming on the next third question number third is this. We require the relationship between H and A. Here is your H and here is your A. We go through with the H and A. So the requirement we are go through with this. We are having the relationship but like this. So H is equals to A is equals to H. It is meaning the same but having a 50% right information. So we go through with the can't say. Coming on the next one, that is A to H. So A to H, we require the gate open in front of H and we are having in the same. So again we are having a can't say 50% right information, and here is also 50% right information. When we combine these two, so we find that the either or option is the right answer. That means we go through with the third option again. Either first or second one is the right answer as per the statement. So we are having a either or as per the statement too. As per the statement, whenever we are having A is greater than or equals to B, and if we are having in a conclusion, any of the conclusion A is equals to B or A is greater than B, so we are not confirmed about these two, but after combining these two we go through with the either or option is the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question number 4 is on your screen. Try to solve yourself. I again prefer pause the video and try to solve yourself. I hope you guys have done with the question. So let's have a check about the question. We want a relationship between R to X, but we are not having the confirmation. What will be the relationship between R and S? So we go through with the can't say. Coming on the next question, T to P. We are having a clear-cut relationship with T to P. So we are having only second option right, which we are having in a B option. B option is the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, number 5 is on your screen. Question number 5. In question number 5, we require that the relationship between Z to R. Here we are having a Z, here we are having a R. So the mediocre element is W. So I can prefer you R to V and V to W and W to Z. This is the format of the relationship to check the first conclusion. In this conclusion, we go through with this relationship between this, like that means we require the gate closed in front of Z, but we are having gate open, so this conclusion goes wrong, directly wrong, not a can't say, directly wrong. Coming on the next one, that requires T to W. T to W, we require the gate open in front of T, so I can say that a T to W relationship, that is absolute right. So we go through with the second option. B option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question number 6. Question number 6 is on your screen. Try to solve this. I hope you all guys have done this question. Let's have a look about the question. It is saying that Q to V. Here we are having Q and here we are having V, but the mediocre element is Z. So when we go through with the Z to Q, yes, of course, we receive that, and after Z to but we require the gate open in the front of Q, but we are having in a statement close gate in front of Q. That means this is get false in the first conclusion. Coming on the next one, again that means we are not confirmed about that the relationship Z or Q. We can say that we are having such kind of the relationship Z to V. We are having a gate open, so we go through with the can't say also, and again we are having a can't say, but now it is saying that V to Q and Q to V. Here we are having a relationship between Q to V greater than symbol, and again here we can say that Q to V, that means we have a gate close in front of V. First symbol is a greater than, second is your less than, and third one is your equals to. That means we are having a combination of the three symbols, so we go through with the can't say. We are having a two can't say, subject and predicates are same, so we go through with the either or concept. So C option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question. Question number 7 is on your screen. Try to solve this as soon as you can. I hope so you guys can do done with the question. So let's have a look about the B to T. Here we have to check from B to C and C to T. Yes, of course we go through with, and we will reach from B to C is the right answer. Coming on the next conclusion, that we require C to D. We are requiring C to D as a greater than or a equals to with the C to D, and we are having, again second option is right. When we are having both the conclusion right, so we go with the option number E will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next question, number 8. Question number 8 is on your screen. Try to solve this question as soon as you can. So now we are having O to L. O to L is a portion we are having here, is the absolute right, and R to E we are not having the confirmation of the relationship, so we go through with the can't say. That means first one is the right answer and second will be wrong answer, so we go through with the A option will be the right answer for this question. I'm providing you with a few questions as an homework. Try to solve this and answer me in the comment section. Answer me in the comment section. The link of the video and below of the video, I again provide you a question as an homework. Try to solve and comment me as an answer. What will be your answer? A, B, C, D, or a E will be your answer. I hope you guys enjoy the session, and again I tell you the power of 3 is extended. Today's only. If you want to buy a study material or e-books for your preparation, go visit and on our store.ada247.com and apply code Go Corona. You will receive a max discount. And if you want to buy our online live classes, just apply Y164 for the max discount. Thank you for the session. I hope you like my session, and write me the answer in the comment section. Keep sharing. Do subscribe our channel if you are still subscribe the channel. So all the best. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye bye.